get it? There you go. Good job. She plays with us at Lily's. Here, pull. Pull the paper. Whee! What is that?
Apple time!
Apple time? This is food. Like what you play with at Lily's house in her kitchen? That's neat, isn't it? Okay, we're good to go. That one says Mommy. Nope, that says Mommy too. Yours are over here. That's not yours, and that's mine. Pick one of these ones. Okay.
Is it heavy?
I'll sit down.
Okay.
I'll just sit down too.
Do you shake it?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
open this. Not open this.
Here, pull right here. This is way more fun than last year, Claire. What is it?
The number 5.
I don't think there are any. Oh, there is a number right here, but those are your letters. ABCs.
All right.
You play with those at Lily's too. Isn't that neat? What letter is that?
E.
No, Y. There's an E though. It's a Y.
Right.
Yeah.
Just a right here.
There's a Y down here, honey.
Right
Yeah.
here.
Can you find a C? Look up here. Is there a C?
Right here. Right here.
Ah, not quite, but that's okay. We'll work on it. That's what we got them for.
The more. The more. That's it. Take a line.
You want the ticker one? Oh, I think this is one you might like a little bit.
I like it.
You like ticker?
I'll open this.
Here, pull up here. What is it? Who is it?
Hot. Seat. The almond.
Okay.
Oh, wow. She's pro.
She takes after her mommy. Here, pull right here. That might be easier, honey. It's paper.
Yay.
A book.
It's a It's paper so that Claire can color. Another one. Okay. Christmas will take like 5 minutes.
Whoa.
Oh, here, how about mommy hold it? Ooh. What is this? It's a triangle. What's this one?
Waffle.
Oval. What color is it?
Wing.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
More yellow. More yellow.
More yellow, more